In this video, I'm about to show you how to use Synthesia AI Avatar. First, navigate to Google Chrome on your PC. On Google, search for Synthesia AI Avatar in the provided search bar. Now, reach the first Synthesia AI website as shown here. Once on the website, you'll see all avatar buttons. After that, you can scroll down and explore different avatars here. Here, arrange it in the All Avatar filter to see all the filters. Following that, select any avatar and play it to preview it. You can also choose the age and attire of the avatar. On this way, you can easily use Synthesia AI Avatar. Then you create your personal avatar with Synthesia AI. If you want to see the pricing, it offers a starter plan at $18 per month, the creator plan at $64 per month, and the enterprise at custom pricing. You can unlock additional useful by upgrading the given plans. Thanks for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe.